Hi, this is Mike, and we're looking at the Bitcoin chart. So, interestingly enough, some people are now starting to call for bear market to basically continue or to fall, the price to fall, except there's only one problem with that idea is that we haven't broken support yet, right? And this move down would have to be some kind of 1-2 pattern, right? And although it might seem logical, the count would have to come from here. Um, I did have a quick look, and maybe, it might be possible. The only problem I find is this pattern up here, right? This pattern up here, it doesn't have the qualities of a top, right? Uh, One thing that I do find interesting about this pattern, though, is at the lows, if we go to the minute chart, we have this sharp move down and then this move down that basically looked like it was going to go up yesterday or last night, but then created this pattern. And I'm thinking, well, what is that? How could it be best described? And what I'm thinking is because of the way that this started here at the highs, so sharp, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a 1, 2, maybe 3, or maybe 3 from higher, right? It could be like 1 to here, and then A, B, C, D, E, 3, 4, and then 5. One more move down to finish this move. Bit of alternation there due to the way that that went down so quickly. And I think it was forced liquidations that caused this. So because we saw that, I think this just needs to make one more low, even if it's a tiny one. And I think that the length of this thing may even be roughly like this long. Oops. Sorry, give me one sec. Okay, this length, right? So I think what we're seeing now could be that last drop in progress just to make a tiny new low right there. But nothing major, nothing to suggest that it's going lower. And I just think that this pattern, I've seen this pattern before. It's like a 5-wave move for E that it can't quite make a proper 5-wave move. So it makes this type of really weird elongated type move, right? This really, it's almost like forced 5-wave move. It's very interesting, except I've seen this on the daily chart. This is a pretty small degree move, but I've seen it on the daily chart before. It's really interesting. But if this was going to go down, I think it would have happened when this happened. Like it would have at least broke support at that point. But then to create some kind of wave 4, which I believe is like this, right? Little a, B, C, D, E, right? That's what I see there. Okay, so I'm ready to buy this. A little break there, confirmation up the highs. Okay, little break down here, just below support, make it look like, oh, it's going to go down, and then reverse. Can't break this low, but it cannot go below 23347. I'm going to get rid of this support line. Well, actually, I'll replace it with like an entry point. I think that'd be more what I'm seeing, more in line with my idea there. So okay, so we'll see how that pans out. Call this the buy zone. I think that's probably a little bit more suited to the situation, right? And I think that, this type of spiking up is trickery, trying to get you in. So yeah, all we can do is wait to see what happens here, because that'll be very interesting. So hopefully you found this video interesting and informative. Thank you for watching.